Good morning student. Today exercise 2.4 question 5th factorize. Here first sub question they are given x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Here in the question 4th we have done the quadratic factorization of the quadratic polynomial. So here we have to do the factorization of the cubic polynomial. Here degree is 3 means this cubic polynomial will have 3 factors. Okay. So in such a case, when you have to find the factors of cubic polynomial, you have to consider the constant term. Now here in cubic polynomial, here x cube, x square, x. So these are all variable term. Where only constant is there, that is known as constant term. So you have to consider the constant term, which is 2. Now you have to write all the factor of 2. So factor of 2 will be 1 into 2. Okay. So here I have taken plus minus 1 because it factor of 2 is also minus 1 into minus 2. So minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. So minus also you have to take. So here I have taken plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. So total how many factors are there of 2? Plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 means total 4 factors. Now what you have to do? You have to do this in rough. You have to find out of this 4 factor how many are factor of you have to find one of the factor of this cubic polynomial. So first I will write this you have to do in rough. This is known as trial method. So first you will put 1 value here and see whether this 1 is a factor of this cubic polynomial or not. So here 1 means 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. Here 1 cube will be 1, 1 square will be 1, 2 into 1, 2. Here minus 1 plus 2. Here plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. Here minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. So here it will come 0. That means 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay, understood? Because answer is coming 0. If it will not come 0, then you have to take minus 1. Then put the value here. If it is not coming 0 with minus 1 also, then you have to take plus 2. And if not coming with plus 2 also, then minus 2. Out of this 4, one of the factor will give you the value as 0. So now what I will write, here I have taken x as 1. So I will write here. So here you have to write x equal to 1 is factor of polynomial, that is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay. So you have done this in rough. Okay. So here that means I can say x minus 1. I am transferring 1 here. So x minus 1 is factor of polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So this is one of the factor of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. We have to find another 2 factor because total factor is 3. Now just another example I am taking. If I am saying that 2 is factor of 6, and if I ask you which is the another factor of 6, what you will do? You suppose you don't know, so you will divide 6 with 2. 2 3s are, so that means 3 will be factor of 6. Same way here what you have to do to find the other 2 factor. X minus 1 is 1 factor, and to find the other 2 factor you have to divide this cubic polynomial with x minus 1. Okay, so this we have done in 8th standard also, and we have done in the last video also. One example I have given. So I am writing the cubic polynomial and you have to divide with the x minus 1. Okay, now in such a case you have to consider the first term of the cubic polynomial, that is x cube. So x into x into x, and you have to divide it with the first term of the linear polynomial, that is x. So this x, one x will get cancelled. So x into x, x square. Now you have to multiply x minus 1 with x square. X into x square, it will be x cube. Okay. Now minus 1 into x square will be minus x square. Now subtract them. Here sign will change. Here this will become plus. So here this will cancel 0, and here minus 2 plus nothing means 1. Minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So here it will come minus x square. Now you will take this term, that is minus x. Once you have taken the term from the dividend, okay, so again you have to follow the first method. Now x minus x square. Now see here, minus x square divided with the first term, that is x. This x, and out of this square means 2x, 1x will get cancelled. Now minus x, that is why here you have to take minus x. Now multiply x into minus x square. Now minus into minus plus, and 1 into x will be 1x, that is x. Now again sign will change, so this will become plus, so this will get cancelled, and this will become minus. Now minus x, that is minus 1 will become minus 2x. Now take the other term, last term, that is plus 2. So again you have to divide. Now minus 2x first term, divide with the first term, this is x. So minus 2x divided by x. This x and x cancel, minus 2 will remain. So here you have to write minus 2. Now multiply x into minus 2, minus 2x. Minus 1 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, and 1 into 2, 2. Now again minus sign will change. So this will become plus, so cancel, and this will become minus, so this also will cancel. Means 0. That means x square minus x minus 2 is also a factor of this cubic polynomial. So now I will write here x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. The factor will be x minus 1, which we have done by trial method. Another factor will be x square minus x minus 2. From this x square minus x minus 2, this is quadratic, so you can find the two factor from this. So which we will do here now. See here, x square minus x minus 2. Okay, so here multiply the numerical coefficient of the first and third term. I am multiplying here. So it is 1 into minus 2. See here, 1 into minus 2. So it will become minus 2. Now find such a factor of minus 2 that their subtraction should give us the middle term, that is 1. Subtraction. So I will take here 2 into 1. Their product is 2, and their subtraction will give me minus 1, which I want. Now this middle term sign. Which is minus sign, that you have to give to the greater factor, and opposite sign to the smaller factor. So in place of here minus x, I will write minus 2x plus x minus 2. Now find the 4 term are there. Take 2 term and find the common factor. Here common is x minus, here x is a common, so uncommon will be 2. And here nothing is common, so you have to take 1 as a common factor. Now bracket are same, so x minus 2, and here x plus 1. Now that means here x minus 1 I will write as it is. X square minus x minus 2, in that their place I will write x minus 2, because factorization of this is x minus 2 and x plus 1. This will be your answer. Now exercise 2.4 question 5th, third one, second one will be homework. So again cubic polynomial x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So again you have to write the factors of 20, constant term 20. So 1 is a factor of every number, so it will be plus 1 minus 1. Then 2 is also a factor, so plus minus 2. 3 is not a factor. 4 is factor, yes, so plus minus 4. 5 is factor, plus minus 5. 10 is factor, plus minus 10, as well as 20 is factor, so plus minus 20. These are the factor. Now by trial method again you have to find the value of, means you have to find the factor of this cubic polynomial. So one factor you have to find by trial method. So I am again doing in the graph. So here first we will take plus 1. So x cube means 1 cube plus 13 into x square, that is 1 square, plus 32x, that is 32 into 1 plus 20. All are positive numbers, so there is no chance that this answer will come as 0. So now we will take minus 1. So x cube, okay, that is minus 1 cube plus 13 into x square, that is minus 1 square, plus 32 into x, that is minus 1 plus 20. Now minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1. So 13 into 1 will be 30. Here plus into minus, minus 32 plus 20. So here both negative. So we will add them. This will become minus 33. And here 13 plus 20, it will become plus 33. So it will get cancelled. So it will be 0. That is x equal to minus 1 is a factor. So here now I will write. So you can write by trial method. X equal to minus 1 is factor of this cubic polynomial, which is x cube plus 13 x square plus 32x plus 20. X minus 1, so here I can write x minus 1 transpose, so will become plus 1, that is x plus 1 is factor of the same cubic polynomial plus 32x plus 20. Now x plus 1 is a factor of cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial have 3 factors. So one of the factor is x plus 1. And we will find the other 2 factor by dividing the cubic polynomial, that is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 by the factor which is x plus 1. Now same process, divide the first term of the cubic polynomial x cube with x. So x cube divided with x, you can do in rough if you don't know. So it will give us x square. Now you have to multiply x plus 1 with the x square. So x into x cube, sorry, x square will be x cube. 1 into x square will be plus x square or plus 1x square. Now here sign will change, minus. So here minus, this will get cancelled, and here also this sign will change. Now 13 minus nothing means 1. 13 minus 1 will be 12. So it will become 12x square. Now take this term plus 32x. Since you have taken term from dividend, again you have to divide the first term which is 12x square, that is 12 into x with the first term of the linear polynomial. Here x and x will get cancelled. So what will remain? 12x. So plus 12x. Again you have to multiply this linear polynomial with 12x. X into 12x, 12x square. Here 1 into 12x will be 12x. Now again sign will change. Here this will become minus, cancel. This will also become minus. 32 minus 12 will be 20. So it will become 20x. Now take the last term from here. It will become plus 20. Now again same process. First term 20x divided by first term of the linear polynomial x. X and x will get cancelled. So it will become 20. Now multiply x plus 1 with 20. X into 20 will be 20x. 1 into 20 will be 20. Sign will change. So this will become minus. This also minus. So this will cancel. So your remainder will be 0. That is x square plus 12x plus 20 is a factor of this given cubic polynomial. So here I will write now x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Factor will be x plus 1, and here x square plus 12x plus 20. But this is quadratic, and we can find the factor of quadratic as we had done in question 4. So find this here. You can find in rough also. So I am doing directly. So here multiply the numerical coefficient of first and third term. So it is 20. Now find such a factor of 20 that their sum should be 12. So 10 to the 20 and then sum will be 12. So I am taking in place of 12x as 10x plus 2x plus 20. Now take pair. So x plus 10 will be uncommon. This already we have done many times in 8th standard also. That is why I am doing this directly here. So x plus 10 into x plus 2 will be factor of this quadratic equation. So in place of this quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial, I will write x plus 10, x plus 2. So this is your answer.